What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Borla exhaust versus the Resonator Delete. So this is my car right here with the Borla exhaust, and then this is my sister's car with the Resonator Delete. She has a 2023 Camry and mine's a 2021 Camry. So let's get right into it. There it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those few clips. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the few differences between the Resonator Delete and getting the Borla exhaust. So the first difference is the sound. The Resonator Delete has a more raspy sound to it, while the Borla exhaust has a more deep tone and a clean rasp. So the main difference between the Resonator Delete and the Borla exhaust is that the Borla will burble whenever you take your foot off the gas, which me personally I like way more. The Resonator Delete definitely makes the car louder, but you don't get those burbles like the Borla exhaust. So let's talk about horsepower now and how much horsepower you can gain from doing a Resonator Delete or installing a Borla exhaust. So with the Resonator Delete, you'll see 0 to no gain in horsepower. Now with the Borla exhaust, you'll see some gains, about 8 to 12 horsepower. That 8 to 12 horsepower comes from the increased airflow in the Borla exhaust, whereas just removing a resonator doesn't increase airflow at all. Now you guys may be wondering if the Resonator Delete causes drone, and the answer is no. It doesn't. So those are all the main differences between getting a Resonator Delete and a Borla exhaust. Now I'm going to talk about the things that you should know when getting a Borla exhaust. First, I'm going to put up an image of the exact one I got. It's a catback S-type exhaust. So as you can see, I have a TRD with dual exhaust tips. Since I got dual exhaust tips, I had to install a new rear diffuser and take off the old one. This is because the stock rear diffuser doesn't fit dual tips. So if you have a TRD, you're better off going with single exhaust tips. So overall, a Borla exhaust and a Resonator Delete are different and unique in their own way. My opinion is if you are on a budget, go with the Resonator Delete, and if you have money to spend, get a Borla. The dual tips on the Borla can really change the stock look of the TRD though.